Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing the remote software on both devices and signing into the same account. On the PC, enable remote access and grant file, screen, and input permissions. Set a strong PIN now so you don't interrupt setup later. Make sure the PC won't sleep. Adjust power settings to stay awake for remote sessions. If you're on different networks, note whether NAT or firewalls might block connections. This matters for the next steps, so don't skip it. Once done, open the app on Android and select the PC from your list or enter its ID. You'll authenticate with the PIN or an account prompt. Approve any permission dialogues on the PC fast. During the session, configure quality settings, lower resolution for lag, higher for clarity, and enable clipboard or file transfer features if you need them. Test keyboard and mouse input, and route audio if required. Make sure to observe latency and tweak settings until control feels responsive. To finish, disconnect cleanly from the Android app and close the session on the PC. Leaving sessions open invites risk. Secure the setup by enabling two-factor authentication, rotating the remote PIN periodically, and limiting unattended access to specific devices. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check the PC firewall and router NAT first. Many failures come from blocked ports or sleep settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.